The case of the Oklahoma City police officer convicted of raping more than a dozen women 10 years ago.
Family, friends, and supporters came together today in front of the Oklahoma Judicial Center to once again say it never happened. KOCO Chantel Navarro joining us live from the KOCO newsroom. And Chantel, you were there.
Yeah, guys, despite the court's decision, Holtzclaw has maintained his innocence the entire time, and this group has been pushing for it for years, about 8 years now. Now they're claiming new evidence should be enough to set him free.
Crime of procuring lewd exhibition and punishment is set at 5 years.
This is what now 39-year-old Daniel Holtzclaw looked like 10 years ago in court after being found guilty. He's now serving 263 years in prison for multiple counts of rape, sexual battery, and other charges.
Daniel has nothing to hide here. I mean, there are some questions about what went on in those hearings, what went on in the lab.
That's his dad, Eric Holtzclaw. He's part of the group that claims secret meetings and hearings went on to decide his son's fate. The group held this sign showing his picture saying, "Does this really look like a short black man with blonde hair?" Which is how one of the victims described their attacker.
In my opinion, they got these people to say that Daniel assaulted them because of the fact that they either had warrants pending, they had other kind of things that they were trying to get. It doesn't take a rocket science to realize there was money at the end of the trail.
The claims are that Holtzclaw attacked his victims, all African-American women, while on the job as a police officer. District attorneys relied heavily on DNA evidence found on Holtzclaw's uniform pants. But forensic critics, including independent experts, have questioned whether the DNA results were misinterpreted or overstated, and whether secondary transfer may have explained the findings. He was convicted in 2015, and in 2019, an appeal was denied. In 2020, the Supreme Court also declined a petition. Family today pushed us to ask the AG's office about reopening the case. So we did. The Attorney General's office, though, said they've already conducted a thorough review that was promised and found no basis for which the original conviction should not be upheld. Drummond believes justice was administered. And his family also launched a new website today that will be a source for all what they're calling new evidence reports and data that they've gathered on this case. More details on what's on that site right now on KOCO.com. They also have a new tip line for those wanting to give more info. You can also find it there as well. For now, live in the newsroom, Chantel Navarro, KOCO 5 News.